I've been hearing a lot about sea moss recently, especially with its reputation as a superfood. With claims that it can improve everything from digestion to skin health, I decided to give it a shot and take sea moss every day for a month. It's packed with over 90 minerals that our bodies need, including iodine, iron, potassium, and magnesium. So, I figured, why not see if it lives up to the hype? Have you heard about sea moss? What do you think of it? Day 1, getting started. I started by adding sea moss gel to my morning routine. I read that it's most commonly added to smoothies, so that's what I did. Honestly, I was a bit nervous because I wasn't sure how it would taste, but to my surprise, it didn't really have much flavor. It blended seamlessly with my usual smoothie ingredients, bananas, spinach, and almond milk. It was an easy way to incorporate it into my daily routine. Have you tried adding any unusual ingredients to your smoothies? What's your go-to smoothie recipe? Week 1, subtle changes. After a few days, I started to notice some subtle changes, particularly in my digestion. Normally, I feel a little bloated after meals, especially when I've had something heavy. But during the first week of taking sea moss, I felt lighter and more comfortable after eating. It wasn't an immediate transformation, but there was definitely a noticeable improvement. If you've ever dealt with bloating or sluggish digestion, you know how frustrating it can be. Has anyone else found a natural remedy that worked for them? Week 2, energy levels on the rise. By the second week, something else happened. I had more energy. I'm not talking about a sudden, jittery boost like you get from caffeine. It was more of a steady, consistent energy throughout the day. I found that I wasn't hitting that mid-afternoon slump as hard as I usually do. Normally, around 3 p.m., I'd feel tired and start craving a snack or a nap. But this week, that didn't happen as much. Have you ever experienced a natural energy boost from a food or supplement? I'd love to hear your experiences. Week 3, skin transformation. This was the week I started noticing changes in my skin. I wasn't expecting this at all, but my skin started to look clearer and feel more hydrated. I've always struggled with dry patches, especially around my nose and forehead, but by week 3, those areas felt smoother. After doing a little research, I learned that sea moss is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, nutrients known for promoting healthy, glowing skin. Have you ever tried a food that improved your skin? What was it? Week 4, overall wellness and balance. By the end of the month, I felt more balanced, both physically and mentally. My energy, digestion, and skin were all in better shape, and I noticed that I was craving less junk food. Normally, I'd reach for sugary snacks when I felt low on energy, but I didn't have the same urges this month. Sea moss contains essential minerals that our bodies often crave, which I think helped me feel more satisfied. Have you ever noticed how what you eat affects your cravings? Sea moss isn't just hype, it's packed with impressive health benefits. Here's a quick rundown of what I experienced and what science says about it. Digestive health. Sea moss is high in fiber, which can help regulate digestion, reduce bloating, and promote a healthier gut. Energy levels. It's rich in iron, supporting better oxygen flow and combating fatigue. Skin health. The vitamins and minerals in sea moss, especially A, C, and E, can improve skin texture, hydration, and overall appearance. Immune support. Sea moss has immune-boosting properties thanks to its high content of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Final thoughts. So, would I continue taking sea moss after this month? Absolutely. The changes were gradual but noticeable. My digestion improved, my energy stayed more consistent, and my skin looked healthier. If you're thinking about trying sea moss, I'd say go for it. It's an easy addition to your routine, and the benefits are well worth it. Just make sure to get it from a trusted source and start with small amounts to see how your body reacts. Everyone's body is different, but for me, sea moss became a natural way to support my health in multiple areas. If you're looking for a simple, nutrient-rich supplement to improve your overall wellness, sea moss might be just what you need. What do you think? Would you give sea moss a try? Share your thoughts in the comments.